Hello, everyone. This is Joe from JM Food Trips. Today, I will share to you my food adventure that goes deep beyond food. It's culture and earning respect of the Filipino people. Join me to find out how and why. Yes, me and my husband ate this not for views, but for respect. We almost backed out, but sometimes respect starts where your comfort zone ends. In the Philippines, food is culture. And sometimes that culture includes things most people are afraid to try, like white grubs. At first, we were nervous. They're moving, they look wild, and honestly, we wanted to back out. But I realized something. If you want real connection, you have to step out of your comfort zone. So we took a bite after requesting one thing. And in that moment, it wasn't just about the food anymore. It was about showing respect to the people, their traditions, and their way of life. I may not eat this every day, but I'll never forget what it represents. Respect isn't given, it's earned. And sometimes it starts with a single bite. As I said earlier, we didn't eat this just for views, we ate it for respect. When you meet Filipinos who does not care where you came from, your nationality, ethnicity, or financial status, because you embrace their culture, traditions, and belief, it is precious. Filipinos who are loyal, trustworthy, kind, and honest. In the other hand, be careful with scammers, opportunistic, and thieves. Life in the cities of the Philippines are not easy. The poverty and number of poor people in Metro Manila is roughly 45 to 50% of the population. If you are looking for honesty, loyalty, and kind deeds, it is easier to find it in suburb areas or provinces. That is my personal opinion. Anyway, going back to our food adventure, eating white grubs for the first time. Fear, doubt, hesitation, all of it in one moment. A single bite standing between comfort and connection. This isn't just food. This is culture. This is pride. This is respect. And today, we chose respect. And for my Caucasian husband to be fully accepted in the clan, no matter how uncomfortable it felt. Because sometimes, the bravest thing you can do is take the bite. Let's find out first, what is white grubs? These are the larval stage of beetles. They are soft, white, C-shaped insects that live underground, inside decaying wood, or in plant materials such as coconut trunks and other organic matter. In the Philippines, some types of white grubs are known as coconut worms and are considered a traditional food in some rural areas. They are often collected from coconut trees or rotting plant material and prepared by cleaning and cooking them. This is not just a worm, it's a beetle baby. In the Philippines, this little creature is not just an insect, it's a traditional delicacy that represents survival, culture, and respect. Why do people eat them? They are a traditional food in some communities or provinces. They provide protein, fats, and other nutrients. Eating insects is part of many cultures around the world and is also considered a sustainable food source because insects require fewer resources than many livestock animals. What do they taste like? Fried, often described as crispy outside with a soft, creamy inside. Some people compare the flavor to nuts, shrimp, or rich coconut. Roasted or cooked can have a slightly buttery and earthy taste. For your safety, wild-caught grubs should be properly identified and cooked because some insects may carry contaminants or be unsafe to eat. Okay, guys, today is the day. I've tried balut, crickets, crocodile, and even adult beetles. But this might be one of the craziest one yet. We're about to eat white grubs here in the Philippines. Look at this. These are fresh white grubs, locally found in coconut trees. Some people call them worms. I'm not gonna lie, we are nervous. It's soft, squishy, like a gummy worm, but alive. But they say it's creamy, buttery, and actually delicious. So today we're trying it two ways, roasted and fried. The locals say the fried version tastes like crispy chicken skin, while the roasted one, well, let's find out. First the roasted. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, eats. Oh, wow, it burst in my mouth. It's creamy, like coconut milk with a slightly nutty taste. It's pretty good. Now let's try the fried version. Crunch, yo, this one is actually good. Crispy outside, juicy inside, like chicharron meets shrimp flavor. The reaction of me and my husband were, "We can't believe we are saying this, but it is delicious. If you didn't tell us it was a grub, we'd probably eat more." In the Philippines, eating insects like this isn't weird. It's part of tradition and survival, especially in provinces. White grubs are high in protein and very sustainable too. So would you try white grubs? Comment below. And if you want more crazy food adventures in the Philippines, don't forget to like and follow. Maybe next time will be more thrilling. But wait, they made us eat more grubs? I thought we were done, but they brought more. Wait, why are these bigger? Nah, this is personal now. Okay, new challenge. They said I have to eat 3 at once or I lose respect. I can't lose like that. All right, 3 grubs. Here we go. Eats. No, it's like a flavor explosion. One popped, then another, then another. Why is it actually kind of good though? I'm confused and impressed at the same time. Wait, they gave me a dipping sauce now? This is getting serious. Dips, eats. Yo, that just upgraded it. This is no longer survival. This is snack time. I came here scared. Now I'm asking for more? What is happening? Now here's the 10 grub challenge. All right, this is it. They said if we want to earn full respect, we have to do the 10 grub challenge. 10 whole grubs at the same time. No backing out. Okay? Deep breath. 3, 2, 1. Eats all. Wait, what is happening? It's popping everywhere. I can't even chew properly. There's too many. This is chaos in my mouth. Swallow, swallow. Okay, I did it. I just ate 10 grubs. Someone give me a medal. Why do I feel like I can eat more now? Nah, I've changed from scared to addicted. This is crazy. Philippines, you win. Respect. Should I try 20 next or add spicy? Comment now. Whew, it's like people can read my mind. They just served spicy grub challenge. I regret this. Okay, this is officially getting out of control. They added hot sauce to the grubs. Not just any sauce. This is extra spicy. And if I fail, there's a punishment. I don't even want to know what it is. Look at this, dripping in sauce. Nah, this is next level. All right, no backing out. 3, 2, 1, eats. Oh no, why is it so spicy? My mouth is on fire. It's creamy and spicy at the same time. My brain is confused. Water, I need water. No, wait, they said no water if I quit early. Okay, breathe, finish it, finish it. Eats more. Ah, I did it. I survived. Wait, what's the punishment? Pause. More grubs? Nah, that's evil. I came here for content. Now I'm fighting for my life. I regret it not because of the grubs. It was the super spicy sauce. I am not a fan of too spicy foods. All right, final part, and they saved the worst for last. We are doing this blindfolded. We can't see anything. They said it could be anything, roasted or fried or something worse. Okay, just breathe. Trust the process. I think, all right, feed us. Eats. Wait, what is that? That's not normal. It's crunchy, then soft, then spicy again. Why does it feel bigger? Nah, y'all playing with us. Okay, I'm finishing it. We are finishing it. Eats. Done. I did it. Take this off. Removes blindfold. No way. That was a mix. Roasted, adobo, fried, and spicy all together. We just survived the final boss of grub challenges. From scared to survivor to grub legend. Philippines, that was insane. Respect. If this hits 10,000 likes, I'll do an even crazier challenge next. Comment your ideas now. Now, do you remember in the beginning I requested one thing? Yes, that request was not to eat raw grubs. I tried, but I can't keep it. I can't tolerate the movements of the live grubs in my mouth. I feel like I am the Cyclops in the Jack and the Beanstalk story. But anyway, me and my husband became champions of eating the cooked white grubs. After this food challenge, my husband was welcomed and treated like a king by the whole clan. It was fun, special, and really an adventure. If you are new to this channel, please click like, subscribe, and share below. If you enjoyed this adventure, please click the video next to me for more food trips and adventure. Come and join me in my next video. Thank you.